I always step in the middle.
Oh my God. Every time, even when you think you have taken a perfect video, you go over there and find some spaces, empty spaces, some weird things.
Yeah, anytime I need to do video, I just call my videographer. Be like, hey,
Yeah.
maybe me and my videographer are working on our drone license, so that we can do commercial drone work. Because that weight, and then you have to have a commercial license, or if you're in an area like this. Good question. It really depends on who you ask. It's like asking, you know, what's better, a Canon, a Nikon, or a Sony. It's really dependent on. I personally think that, but I can't justify spending $11,000 on a camera body right now because I just spent $14,000 on a new lens. Yeah. Like this right here, this is my cheapest setup. This is my bread and butter. This is what I shoot air to air. Oh, yeah.
So that's what